Located in Bengaluru, ZETA India stands at the forefront of bioprocess engineering in Asia. Where deep expertise and precision converged, transformed client ideas into therapeutic systems. Our manufacturing units span across multiple locations in Bengaluru with over 175,000 square feet of factory space. Each unit is equipped with the latest technology to cater to diverse client needs. Every corner of our facility is focused on precision. From initial design phase to assembly and testing, our processes are streamlined to eliminate variability and deliver consistent outcomes. Our strength lies in our people. In India, over 250 skilled professionals, including 190 plus engineers and over 1,900 experts in more than 30 subsidiaries worldwide across mechanical, automation, quality and production disciplines, bringing unmatched technical depth and operational discipline. From material traceability to process controls and finished product validation, our quality systems are aligned with global regulatory standards. We ensure every unit is qualified, audit-ready and built for consistent performance.
Our manufacturing units are equipped with a real-time monitoring system to track every step of production. This helps us to spot any deviation immediately and take corrective action before it affects the batch.
With the flexibility to scale up or down based on project demands, our facilities are built to accommodate diverse requirements. From single-skid pilot systems to large-scale commercial modules, this adaptability allows us to deliver on time without compromise. From initial design to final delivery, our manufacturing units provide end-to-end solutions, including automation. With the ever-growing need to be flexible, ZETA can integrate on all well-known automation platforms. Based on the needs of the client, we can deliver a digital twin of a plant in its entirety. We take pride in offering complete bioprocessing systems that are ready for deployment. Once the systems are tested and validated, they are packed with utmost care and shipped to the client's location. Each product is accompanied by detailed documentation to ensure ease of installation, operation and compliance. Our fabricated systems are installed in leading biopharmaceutical facilities across the globe, trusted for their durability and precision.
Our job doesn't end when the product is produced. We have a dedicated post-production team that conducts stability studies and batch release testing, ensuring every product leaving our facility is safe, effective and compliant.
ZETA's India corporate office in Bengaluru drives global strategy, governance, business development, finance and talent management, ensuring we remain agile, compliant and future ready. Housed within the same state-of-the-art facility in the Manyata Embassy Business Park is our Global Engineering Office, the brain behind our facility design, automation architecture and manufacturing infrastructure designing. Our teams collaborate seamlessly across global platforms with all our international ZETA office locations.
At ZETA Biosystem, we don't just offer systems. We offer complete solutions. Our Experience Center reflects our commitment to client collaboration, process innovation, and long-term relationships in biopharma industry.
ZETA India's 175,000 square feet manufacturing facility is not just a building. It's a symbol of our commitment to innovation, quality, and excellence. Every day we push the boundaries of bioprocess engineering to deliver the best for our clients.